right, it's the first episode of what are we working on today in a full video. Let you guys guess at this. We're going to drive this thing over to our engine builder and we're going to check on a motor that they're about to finish. So this car was designed by Doc Boyce Smith and Hugh Jorgensen. So the car was designed by Doc Boyce Smith and Hugh Jorgensen. It is called a Victress. It's like Victory and Mistress put together. Victress S1. It was introduced in 1952 as a stylish alternative to European sports cars like the Jaguar XK120. The design featured a horizontal grille, curvaceous lines, and repositioned headlights, all built upon a 102-inch wheelbase. The name Victress was chosen to significantly the excellence in sports car design. In 1953, the Victress S1 gained significant attention when a modified version, the Guy May Be Special, set a land speed record of 203 mile an hour, 0.105 at Bonneville, earning the title the world's fastest sports car. This achievement propelled the Victress into the spotlight, leading to increased interest and production. So, yeah, there it is. I believe you can, if you want to read more about it, the link on that was at Hemmings.com. Forgotten Fiberglass Victress, the world's fastest sport car, part 1. So, as you can see, it's got a probably, I think, mid-40s. No. Early 40s, flathead V8, 3 single barrels. You know, it's got dual water pumps, got a lot of coolant going on, cooling. You can see it's got 2 different water pumps on them. Today we ran it, you know, and people either say they overheat or they don't build heat, and so we ran about 160 all day today. This car has a full tubular chassis underneath it. It does have straight axles. So kind of a old school straight axle gig. But the man that owns the car was a doctor. He started the car, he bought the body, you know, so it's a 52 fiberglass when they made them. I think when they made 100 of them or something. And a lot of them didn't even get finished in the cars. So bought the body and then started building it, but he was a road racer. He was a, I guess vintage road racer. I didn't research all that, if he did SCCA or what he did, but either or. Had the car built to kind of specs like that. Everything's fully adjustable on it, and you can see when you get up under it, he's got all the specs wrote down where he would change things and move things, different ride heights. But I want to show that right there. Let me make sure that camera gets a good shot at that. So if anybody knows about VIR, the Virginia International Raceway, there was an oak tree in one of the curves up there. Well, when that oak tree finally fell, they took the tree and made up shifter knobs. And so it's got a VIR racetrack oak tree shifter in it, shifter knob. It's pretty cool. I mean, it looks like there's an old, you know, it says Deluxe on the steering wheel. I'm pretty sure that's from an early Ford. Car's pretty fun. Turns on a dime. Handles really, really well. So, anyway. I just figured I would do a little more than just kind of show you a little sneak peek of a car and then just, you know, let you guess on it or whatnot, and, you know, people get to see it. Figure actually walk around this thing and actually let you look at those curves on that sucker. I mean, she's pretty. How long that front fender is. I mean, just sweeping all the way down. One of the articles, he talked about how he didn't want flat sides, the guy that designed it. He wanted the curve to go through. And it was also kind of, you know, they wanted Carroll Shelby to race it. So, I mean, it's got a Cobra looking front end, old Ferrari. I don't know, you know, it looks like a lot of different cars. But if I didn't say, you know, yeah, it's a fiberglass body, you know, I wouldn't call it a kit car, but yeah, probably can get away with it. So anyway, well, that's some of the fun stuff we get to work on here at the Auto Barn. If anybody's interested in purchasing some stuff like this, you know where we're at, Gibson Mill, Concord, North Carolina. Go check us out. Go like the page, like Auto Barn, share Auto Barn. They're always posting new stuff. We're always constantly getting in new cars on consignment. And you know, we're a full service center. So you can store your car here. We have car storage. You can buy your car here. You can sell your car here. You can get your car maintained and worked on here. And you can get it washed and detailed here. So kind of a one-stop shop for any car enthusiast, car collectors. So there it is. Y'all have a wonderful day. This is Good Friday. And riding around this thing definitely made it good. So I hope you have a blessed day. Have a happy Easter.